Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am going to be showing you how you can make some nails for your dolls. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see like there's some definition, I feel like. So anyways, let's get into the tutorial. To get started, I need some plastic. This is just from packaging. Nothing fancy. You're going to need an X-Acto knife, a dotting tool, and one of these little silicone tools. I mean, like, you don't have to use a silicone tool, but it's definitely easier to apply. So you're also going to need like another piece, like maybe some metal or some extra plastic that you're not using. You can also do this on paper too, but definitely want to apply this stuff onto plastic. And we're also going to be using this, which is the Mod Podge Dimensional Magic, which is 3D. This stuff you can get at Hobby Lobby. I recommend using the 40% off coupon if it's not already on discount. And we're going to be using some chalk pastels. So to get started, I'm actually going to do a whole different color because I've already got the pink and stuff. So for a whole different color, let's go with, crap, I don't know what color I want. Let's go with this blue. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this container and we're just going to shave it down with our X-Acto knife. The more chalk you do, the quicker it's going to dry and the more pigmented it will be. You don't need a whole lot. And then now we're going to do this. And this stuff lasts a pretty good while. I've had this one for like about 3 years now. 3 or 2 years. Anyways, so I'm just going to drop a little bit of it on. Put the lid back on because this stuff dries out really, really fast. So what I like to use to mix this up, I like to use my silicone tool. You can use a toothpick or whatever if you want, or you could use the dotting tool too. So just go ahead and mix, 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 mix. Okay, so now I got some product on there. It's blue on blue, so now we're going to go over to our plastic, and I'm going to apply it here, just like little teardrops, and these are going to resemble our nails, depending on how long you want them. If you want them long, then you would just pull it out a little bit to make it a teardrop. And the thicker it is, the more durable I feel like it is. So just go ahead and keep doing this about 5 times. I recommend doing it on plastic just in case if you like want to save these for later or whatever. And then I'm going to show you in a minute how you can apply these on your dolls after they are dried. I would wait about an hour depending on how thick they are to dry. This, I actually just did this about 5 minutes ago and it's pretty much already dry, but I wouldn't go ahead and pick it off. Like I said, I would wait about an hour before picking it off. And when it's on the plastic, it's easier to pick off. It's easy to pick off on the metal too. So just in case if you don't have plastic, you can use the metal. So just go ahead and continue to do that. To apply the nail, I'm actually going to use some Mod Podge, and I'm using a Monster High hand because it's much easier to show on camera than actually like sticking my doll arm out there. But anyways, I'm taking my dotting tool and I'm dotting on a little bit of the Mod Podge. It doesn't matter if you're using gloss or matte or anything like that. This is just so it can be removable later on if you want it to. And now I'm just taking the nail and I'm using my dotting tool to press down on it so it will hold its shape. Pretty much it. That's pretty much how you apply it. With some Mod Podge and a dotting tool. That is the best way to apply these fake nails after they've dried for about an hour. Because if you try to pick them off now, they'll chip and then they won't look as good. But definitely let it dry, and I would let this dry for like another hour before you even try to mess with it. For instance, here's Mini Me. She's been hanging out for about maybe 3 hours now, and her nails are on there pretty good. Like, this was like the first batch of nails that I did. So, there we go. And they are removable if you want to remove them. So definitely craft at your own risk. But I think they look so cute.